inside the Niger Delta.
Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, has disclosed plans to promote food sufficiency through massive production of rice and cassava in the region. He made the disclosure recently in Calabar, the Cross River State capital, where he met with Governor Ben Ayade to discuss the economic well-being of the Niger Delta in a post-oil economy. Correspondent Tekena Milfori has details.
During his recent walking visit to Cross River State, Senator Godswill Akpabio was at the Ayade Industrial Park to witness the ongoing agricultural revolution program initiated by the state government. The minister was impressed with the massive production of rice in the state and indicated his interest to partner the state government in the collective interests of the Niger Delta region.
We would like to see this replicated in many states of the Federation, and particularly the Niger Delta region. I just asked him about how long it will take for us to have the seedlings, the rice seedlings ready, said in about 8 days. 8 days, and that means by the time we pick it up in 8 days and we supplant it, it will take about 3 months for us to harvest, and then we come back for more, just like that. So it's an initiative that we must extend to other parts of the Niger Delta. It's not a joke. If we can do this in very high quantity, I believe that we'll be able to provide food for our people.
Senator Akpabio noted that it had become imperative to harness the vast agricultural potentials of the Niger Delta in readiness for a post-oil economy in the region. He said his ministry will liaise with the Niger Delta Development Commission to focus on massive cultivation of rice and cassava, noting that agriculture development was key in his ministry's agenda to transform the Niger Delta.
To a very large extent, this is one of our core mandates. Agriculture is it. We'll do the same thing in cassava. We are doing the same thing right now in rice. And Cross River State is going to be the pioneer. And it will lead to a major rice revolution in Niger Delta region.
For his part, Governor Ben Ayade lauded the government of President Muhammadu Buhari for placing a ban on rice importation. He said the federal government's policy will encourage local rice farmers and save the country billions of naira spent annually on rice importation before this time.
This is a major footprint, this is a major footfall from that is policy direction. And so for us as a state, we are simply practicalizing the mandate given and handed out by the President Muhammadu Buhari. That is the only way the President will say, when I came in, this is how much we are spending to import rice. But today, by 2023, Nigeria is rather exporting rice.
Governor Ayade also underscored the need to accord more priority to the agricultural sector, which holds out bright prospects for the Nigerian economy.
Oil has huge revenue income with very low employability. So it is prepared to move thousands of young men into the farms. The economy is the way to go.
In line with its ministry's efforts to make agriculture an alternative source of income for the Niger Delta, Senator Akpabio went on an inspection visit to the cassava processing plant at Mbak Atai in Itu local government area of Akwa Ibom State.
Inside the Niger Delta.